Having the correct date and time on your VTech Cordless phone is important for accurate caller ID and message timestamps. Let's get right to it. Most VTech phones require manual setup via the phone's menu. First, make sure your base unit is powered on. Then press the menu or setup button either on the base or handset. Navigate through the menu using the arrow keys until you find date time. Enter the current date MDDYYY and time HHMAMPM. Press OK or Save to confirm. Keep in mind that the exact steps can vary a bit depending on your specific VTech model, so it's always a good idea to check your user manual. Sometimes things don't go as planned when setting up your VTech phone. Let's look at some common troubleshooting tips. First, make sure your phone has enough battery power. Low battery can cause the date and time settings to reset unexpectedly. Second, double-check that you're entering the date and time in the correct format. Most VTech phones use MMYYY for the date and HHMM with AMPM for the time. Getting the format wrong can prevent the settings from saving properly. Now for some good news. Newer VTech phone models released around 2024 and later offer more convenient options. Some models allow you to sync the date and time automatically through a mobile app. Look for the VTech Connect app, which connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to make setup super easy. Key takeaway: always check your battery level and ensure you're using the correct format when troubleshooting. For newer models, the VTech Connect app makes everything automatic. Definitely worth trying if your phone supports it.